Hello, what is up, YouTube? I am just gonna make a really quick video. Sorry if I'm not looking. Okay, let me try to look into the lens. I'm not going live. I'm just doing a really quick video while I wait for my son to get out of tutoring. Weird flex. I'm actually poor as shit, so buy my merch. So I wanted to talk today about intuitive eating. This is something that has seriously kind of pissed me off the past couple of years. I've been hearing people talk about intuitive eating from the fitness community in particular, and I wanted to address this from more of, I guess, an intuitive perspective, or maybe even from the body positive perspective. So what exactly is intuitive eating? So if you listen to people who are in the fitness community, particularly those who are all about what's it called, meal prepping and all that good stuff, taking your measurements and whatnot, you're going to hear something completely different. First of all, you're going to hear them say that you cannot lose weight from doing intuitive eating, which is completely false. And you're going to hear things such as, well, if I'm doing intuitive eating, did I just spit? I probably, if you're doing intuitive eating, you're going to want to eat everything pretty much. You know, like my body's telling me to eat chicken, or my body's telling me to eat an entire pizza, so I'm going to eat an entire pizza. And it's like, no, that's not how intuitive eating works. So another good name for intuitive eating, especially if you're coming from a nutrition standpoint, if you're part of the nutrition community, I guess you could say, intuitive eating is more so about mindful eating. So that's another way to put it, if that helps. It's all about listening to your body. No, it's not listening to my body and my body saying, okay, I want a cake, I'm going to eat an entire cake. That's not what it is. Intuitive eating. So first of all, what is intuition? Intuition is when you're listening to your body. Your intuition is in your gut. Okay. Science doesn't really recognize intuition. If you are spiritual, if you're religious, you know what intuition is. It's a part of your gut. Okay. It's when you get that feeling, that gut feeling of, oh, I should do this, or, oh, I shouldn't take that route to work, or, oh, I shouldn't talk to this person, right? It's something that you don't necessarily understand with your mind, but you get it from an intuitive perspective. Okay, I got to be quick because they're getting out of tutoring. So basically, intuitive eating is really listening to your body. So for instance, let's say you're craving ice cream. That doesn't mean to go and eat ice cream. That means your body is craving that calcium. So you have to look at it from a perspective of, what can I do that's going to be healthier than eating ice cream? That is what intuitive eating is. If you would like me to talk more on this, I definitely will, because I feel like, again, it is something that has been completely misconstrued by the fitness community. I'm not really sure what the body positive community thinks about intuitive eating, except for, yeah, they might think, hey, I want a cake, I can eat a cake. But then again, that is not intuitive eating either. So if it helps, if intuition is something that doesn't necessarily rock your boat, just think of it as mindful eating instead. If you want me to talk more about this, I definitely will. I have personally lost a ton of weight from doing intuitive eating. I'm currently on my second round of doing intuitive eating because 2019, like I said in my previous video, was one of those years where I literally was just like, you know what, screw everything that got me to this point. I'm going to do what I want to do because of stress. And so this year I'm really taking a step back and saying, okay, yeah, life is stressful, but that doesn't mean that you have to put your weight loss on the back burner. There is absolutely a way to go about weight loss in an intuitive way, even though life may be stressful. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. But like I said, if you want me to talk more about intuitive eating and how to really take it from a body love perspective, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I will be glad to talk more about it. I hope you are all having a very beautiful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.